My people, how una dey? Shey una don hear the latest wahala wey dey scatter internet, so abeg sit down well because this gist get as e be. Suspense dey inside, tears dey inside, and even laugh dey inside small. Na Frank Edoho, the man wey host Who Wants to Be a Millionaire back in the days, he don finally open mouth talk wetin scatter him marriage and the matter heavy like bag of cement. Frank Edoho yarn say everything start normal. Around 2010, he meet Sandra. He carry her matter for head like gala for inside traffic. He send her go school, he support her dream. He even help her start business for skincare and interior decoration. Love dey sweet that time. Money dey flow, everything dey shine. But wait first, na here the movie twist begin. Frank Edoho say as money begin enter, Sandra begin change. Frank Edoho talk say she dey disrespect am, she dey do anyhow. Frank Edoho try keep quiet. He hope say she go calm down, but instead of calming down, na Chike enter the picture. Yes, so na that same Chike wey swing love songs, wey act film, wey everybody dey hail. Chike Ezekwezu Osebuka himself. Now, make una imagine the scene. Frank waka enter in matrimonial bedroom. Now, so he jam Chike and Sandra live and direct. Hey, my people, we no fit believe him eyes. He faint as he dey unconscious. Chike don't disappear like Nollywood actor when no one collect slap. Hey, chai, suspense full ground, That one at the last straw. Frank say in peace of mind dey important, so he end the marriage sharp. And the painful part be say him talk say he no go ever get married again. You remember saying him second marriage be this, so internet don't catch fire since then. Everybody dey drop sympathy, everybody dey ask questions. Some dey argue say, is it wrong to train woman for school? Because them say pattern dey, man go pay woman for education, later she go waka leave am. Even though some people dey disagree, some dey swear say them don see am happen plenty times. Na serious debate wey Frank story don open again. But one thing clear, this gist na emotional roller coaster. From love to betrayal, from fainting to heartbreak, and Frank Edoho don't talk am loud and clear. I will never get married again. Hey, my people, na real life movie we dey watch. As una don hear am finish, this Frank Edoho matter na real life Nollywood movie wey internet no go forget quick. If this gist touch you, make you no just waka pass. Smash that like button. Share with your friends and subscribe so you no go miss the next wahala wey go burst online. So also drop your comment below. Do you think say e wrong for man to train woman for school? Or na just coincidence wey dey repeat? Let's hear your mind. Turn on the notification bell because the next gist fit shock you past this one. Suspense the load.